Good day everyone. Our topic for today is all about fish amino acid. But before we start, let me introduce myself first. I am Christine Agunos of BSA 1B. So, what is fish amino acid or FAA? The fish amino acid is a liquid made from spiraled fish and fish trash such as bone, head, internal organ, and skin with crude sugar. It is a great fertilizer for soil and plants live because it is rich in nitrogen, which helps improve the growth of the crops during their vegetation period. FAA is a great value to both plants and microorganisms in their growth because it contains an abundant amount of nutrients and various types of amino acids that constitute a source of nitrogen for plants. Blueback color fishes will get good fish amino acid. It is absorbed directly by the crops and it is also stimulate the activity of microorganisms. The effect of fish amino acid are more observable when mixed with a pinch of urea. Fish amino acid are commonly used by an organic farmers because of its natural fertilizer which is high in nitrogen. As we all know, nitrogen is an important component of amino acid. This is the building block of protein in the plants. And if protein is not present in the plants, it can be die. Nitrogen is what makes the leaves of the plants green. The indication of the plants that it is not healthy is through its leaf. If it is green, it is healthy. If it isn't, then it is lacks of nutrients. How to make fish amino acid? There are the ingredients or materials needed. The main ingredients is the spiled fish and fish trash such as skin, bones, head, and internal organs of the fish. Use either crude sugar or molasses or whichever is available or can be purchased at a lower cost. Ceramic pot or plastic pail, basin, wooden ladle, cloth for covering, string, marking pen, kitchen knife, chopping board, and glass jar for storage are also needed. This pictures shows the main ingredients or the ingredients are of fish amino acid. Step in making FAA or fish amino acid. There are 8 steps and the first step is to collect materials from the marketplace, fish processing plant, or from the fish port. Frequency of collection depends upon the volume of your production. Second step is to chop the materials into small pieces so that the juice can be extracted easily. Third step is to put 3 kg chopped materials in a basin. Add 1 kg crude sugar or molasses, then mix thoroughly using a wooden ladle. Make sure that all fish parts are coated with sugar so that the juice can be extracted easily. Fourth step is to pour the mixture in a glass jar for plastic pail. Cover with cloth and secure with a string. Fifth step is to cover the pot or pail with cloth or paper and secure with a string paper. Our cloth is used as cover to allow some air to get inside the pot and for the gas that is being produced during fermentation to escape. Sixth step is on the cover, write the date of processing and the expected date of harvest. Seventh step is to store the container with the mixture for 4 weeks in a cool, dry, shady place. Make sure that the storage area is not infested with cockroaches or mice because they might feed on the mixture and contaminate the extract. The mixture may be appealing to the house pets, so make sure that it is properly secured. In a month's time, the fermented extract is ready. Eighth step or the last step is to collect the fermented extract and preserve in a colored glass jar. Cover the jar with paper and stir in a cool, dark place. Uses of fish amino acid. Fish amino acid is rich with nitrogen, as we all know. It is good fertilizer for applying both to soil and foliage since it enhances the growth of crops during their vegetative growth period when used with other natural farming materials. For leafy vegetables, it is possible to use fish amino acid continuously to increase yield and improve the taste and fragrance. When making IMO or mixed compost, apply the fish amino acid after diluting it with water. The ratio is 1 to 1000 ratio. Then the fish amino acid will help activate the microorganism. The mackerel FAA is very effective in getting rid of mites and the greenhouse whitefly. Trifluorides bafularium. Dilute fish amino acid with water and spray it on both sides of the leaf. Put the bones left over from creating fish amino acid into the brown rice vinegar, which has a volume 10 times larger than the bones. The bones will decompose and produce good quality water soluble calcium phosphate. It is not recommendable to use fish amino acid during period of reproductive growth because it may induce overgrowth. There are the advantage of producing fish amino acid. The raw materials are always available. It is free in the market. Plus, you can help to solve the problem in garbage. You can make as many FAA because the materials are always available. As we all said, you can produce at minimal cost since this material can be free or can be purchased at a lower cost. You will have an adequate supply at the time of your need. The step-by-step procedure is very simple and easy to follow. You will have a control over quality and quantity of the product. Advantage of using fish amino acid. Fish amino acid is safe to use and will not pose danger to the user's health even if accidentally ingested. Fish amino acid is a cheap source of nitrogen for plants and for the soil microorganism. Since the nutrients content of fish amino acid is slowly released, it is provide a continuous supply of nutrients to the plants in a minimal amount. Fish amino acid fertilizers benefits. First, it increases soil fertility and enrich soil nutrients. It makes the soil very loose, maintains the biomass of microorganisms and earthworms, and guarantees a healthy soil environment. Second, it promotes the growth of crops, roots, and leaves, and enhances photosynthesis, especially for seedlings. Third, it increased crop yields by 10% to 40%. Fourth, it improves crop quality, extend harvest period, and be more conducive to long-term storage. Fifth, it enhances the ability of crops to resist salt and alkali. And that's all. Thank you for listening.